Are you looking for the best welding helmets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best welding helmets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Antra AH6-260-0000. This is one of the best welding helmets for MMA, MIG, and TIG welding jobs. It also has a grinding feature that works just as well. Buy yours. It is fun to use. Because of its large display, for instance, its users have a good awareness of their surroundings. You can also use it with magnifying and cheater lens without sacrificing its safety and its performance. You will see well with both lenses and protect your eyes well at the same time. Using its sensitive knob, you can easily adjust the shade of this welding helmet when needed. Its strapless delay and the premium sensors it comes with, are also convenient. They boost its efficiency further. At number 4, DEKOPRO Solar-Powered Welding Helmet. With DEKOPRO, you will never run out of charge as you work on projects. This is a solar-powered welding helmet. Its cells are durable, 5,000 hours, while the 1/2 rated screen that it comes with has filters both IR and UV radiations. If you are conscious about eye health, therefore, look for a new DEKOPRO helmet today. This is a suitable product for professional welders. If you are one of them, you will like it for these reasons. First, its lightweight design, 1 pound, is convenient. You can wear it for hours without straining your neck or shoulders. Visibility is good, color-corrected 3.6 x 1.7 screen, while its universal design is acceptable in most industries. These include fabrication and metal production. It is also good for military maintenance and gas mining. At number 3, DEKOPRO Welding Helmet. To enjoy optimal eye protection whenever you are handling demanding projects, look for a new DEKOPRO helmet. Its auto-darkening screen, 1/25,000th of a second, protects the eyes from harsh IR and UV rays. It also has a safety-rated design, 1/1/1/2, that satisfies both N379 and 4/9-13 and ANSI Z87.1-2010 standards. In most industrial settings, you can use it to handle most welding jobs without contravening the law or sacrificing safety. This is a good-looking welding helmet. If you are tired of the boring black-themed model in your possession, replacing it with DEKOPRO is a good idea. Its display is clear from all angles. Its 1 pound design, on the other hand, is not only light but also comfortable to use. Its users enjoy a fatigue-free experience while working. At number 2, Jackson Safety 46131 Insight. Are you looking for an auto-darkening welding helmet that works well in most environments? Jackson Safety 46131 Insight is a multifunctional product with many pros. The premium lens that it comes with, for instance, is of high quality. It is durable. It also has an advanced auto-darkening filter, ADF, that adapts to most working conditions automatically. You can use this welding helmet whilst working indoors and outdoors without issues. You can adjust the delay and the sensitivity of this welding helmet with ease. Its digital controls are easy to use. It also has independent dimming sensors, that you can use to customize its performance on demand. Finally, because it has both weld and grinds modes, this ANSI Z87.1 Plus compliant helmet benefits most people. At number 1, Imeshbean Pro Cool Solar Auto Darkening Welding. To welders, nothing is as important as a quality helmet. Most brands claim to offer quality products. However, a majority often fail to work well when needed the most. Fortunately, Imeshbean Pro Cool is not one of them. This solar auto darkening helmet has a reliable ANSI-certified design that benefits most people. The full-range UV/IR protection that it offers, for instance, is ideal. This product will protect your sensitive eyes from damage. Its quality design also conforms to CE standards for arc welding, mag welding, and TIG welding to name a few. Designed to switch at 1/30,000th per second, this helmet's auto-darkening technology is super fast. It transitions from light to dark areas fast, which is admirable. You can also adjust its shade, 9 to 13 darkness and clear shade 4, for a custom experience. No matter how you set up this welding help, expect memorable results always. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.